I'm at Chinatown now at the Lynn's Cafe. Order a cup of kopi C kosong. It's actually coffee with carnation milk without sugar. The taste is good because the Lynn's Cafe are using the original way to grind the coffee. And I have packet. It's a butter, $10 in case I get hungry. I just had my lunch there at the next door, the Guangzhou Yuan Tea, $6. The taste is good. I did not order any rice to go with it, so I just consuming it. It's a Sunday, so I'm actually nothing to do. As a retiree, it's good to relax myself, to let go everything and enjoy my cup of coffee and seeing anything that I can lay hand on to eat again. Now it's about 1 o'clock, perhaps 3 to 4 o'clock before I return to Tampines to collect my shopping parcel. I ordered a special noodle that goes with it. I need to test it myself and see how the performance of it. I'm going to do it together with the follow me device and see how the thing goes. Hope I can satisfy myself with the right equipment. I do not want to spend much on the equipment itself. I just need more people who watch my channel to give me support, to give thumbs up, and then give me a like, and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Ask all your friends to help me to subscribe more. Thank you, so I can achieve more than 300 subscribers. Thank you so much.